My customer's Oscar II was leaking. Let's dig in and see why. Maybe your machine has the same issue? If you don't yet know how to open your Oscar II, check out my video on it. Just click the link at the top of this video. This is definitely the problem. The valve can't close properly. When the machine cools down, it adds more water to the boiler, and when it heats up again, the machine becomes slightly overfilled, causing water to spill out. It would be a fast cup warmer though, but that will happen anyway. This small valve is called an anti-vacuum valve. It ensures that pressure can build up in the boiler as it heats, but also prevents the boiler from imploding when it cools down due to vacuum, which, unfortunately, is exactly what happened with the Titan submarine. This small valve is what we are going to replace. It's normally a part of the maintenance procedure. Find a suitable socket for your ratchet. I'm using a 19mm. Unscrew the anti-vacuum valve. It's a standard thread, so turn it anti-clockwise to remove it and clockwise when installing the new one. To install the anti-vacuum valve, or any fitting in the machine, you'll either need to use Lock-Seal food-grade thread locker or O-rings for a tight seal. In this case, we'll be using thread locker. Apply a small amount to the threads. Now install it again. Remember to also install the splash guard. And hey, no over-tighten. See this part I'm pointing at? That's the level sensor. Over time it can build up limescale. Since we already have the machine open, we'll inspect it. Why is this important? If there's limescale buildup, it can measure the water level incorrectly and pump too much water into the boiler. That excess water will then come out of the steam wand as water instead of steam. I'm using a 12mm socket to loosen the top fitting. Then, you can use needle nose pliers to pull the probe out, inspect it, and if everything looks fine, reinstall it. Then plug in the wire. We have now successfully replaced the anti-vacuum valve and inspected the steam level probe. If you want more quick and easy repair guides for your coffee machine, don't forget to subscribe.